बट सर बट एक्झॅक्ट न्ही तुमी सकाळी बायट दिली कितें एक्झॅक्ट इशू आहा
Nothing. I think we can talk. Aggravate the matter. We will talk about it. उलोवपाक काय ना हांव कोणा कडेन उलोवपाक तयार आहा. It's nothing like that. It is only certain things should be changed. That's what I'm trying to ask. Nothing more than that.
ओके तुमी सकाळी म्हणटा तशें की मिटिंग्स बीन जायना त्यो सगळ्यो जावपाक
I think everything is a proper procedure should be followed. That's what I'm saying.
सो तुमी उलोवपाक रेडी आसा चर्चा करपाक
Definitely. We are colleagues. No, there is no this thing about it. I'm only saying that certain things should be transparency should be in certain things. That's it.
But तुम्ही पॉइंट्स कितें केल्या तांकां सांगपाक सो नेक्स्ट टाइम जेन्ना तुमची मीटिंग
Points सांगपाक कितें आहा that discuss we will discuss on the this only the same thing what I have spoken. The same thing will be discussed.
उलोवप जालें मागीर तेंच्या वांगडा
आता उलोवप जालेलें.
उदळ तुमी उलयल्या उपरांत उलोवप जालें
कितें म्हणटा
अरे see we are like a family so that is not a this thing no. We are colleagues.
ना सेम त्यांच्यानी असंच कमेंट केलं म्हणून
I know Vishwajit not now much before he was in politics and much before I was also in politics so that is the time I know there is no issue.
ODP सर जायते वर्ष जावन पेंडिंग आमनो
ती जातली तेणे सांगलेलें जातली म्हणून so it will happen there is no problem.
ओके थँक्यू
Thank you.